Hello children, good morning. All of you take out your maths book. Today we are continue our exercise. Exercise 3, page number 88. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the given Roman numerals. यहाँ पे रोमन नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं और हमें उसका हिंदू अरेबिक नंबर में हम उनको कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट हम पहले ये एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल एक्स एक्स वी डबल आई. एक्स this is a value of 10. Then next x, again this x also value of 10, and v has a value of 5, and I means value of 1, and again 1. X this should be 10 plus 10, that means 20, and this has the value of v5, and this is the value of 1, and again 1. So this should be 5 plus 2, that is 7. So 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. Alright, we got it answer. Now next, x c double I. X has a value of 10 and c has a value of 100, but बिगर नंबर के आगे स्मॉलर नंबर है तो हम क्या करेंगे, बिगर नंबर में से स्मॉलर नंबर माइनस करेंगे. दैट मीन्स 100 माइनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 90 एंड प्लस डबल आई, दैट मीन्स 1 प्लस 1 2. आंसर इज 90 प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 92. देन नेक्स्ट L हैज अ वैल्यू ऑफ 50. देन नेक्स्ट X हैज अ वैल्यू ऑफ 10 प्लस अगेन 10. That means 50 plus 20, 70 plus I has a value of 1. 70 plus 1 is equal to 71. Again XXI plus LX double I. X has a value of 10. Again X has a value of 10. 10 plus 10 20, and 20 plus 1 21. Then L has a value of 50. X has a value of 10. 50 plus 10 60. Then plus double I, that means 2, 62. 21 plus 62 is equal to 83. Now X has a value of 10, L has a value of 50, and I has a value of 1, and X has a value of 10. Now L 50 के आगे स्मॉलर नंबर है X, 50 के आगे 10 है. दैट मीन्स 50 माइनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 40, और यहाँ 10 के आगे 1 है. दैट मीन्स 10 माइनस 1 9, 49 plus XC. X has a value of 10 and C has a value of 100. That means 100 minus 10, 90. X has a value of 10. Again X has a value of 10, and I has a value of 1. 10 plus 10 20 plus 1 21. 49 plus 90 plus 21 is equal to 160. सबको समझ में आ गया. सो सी द हाउ एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म हेल्प अस. So when you use the expanded form, you will get the answer quickly. Expanded form यूज करोगे तो तुम्हें आंसर जल्दी से मिल जाएगा. Now let's start our exercise. So all of you take out your maths notebook. Write in new page. First write date 25/6/21. Exercise 3. Write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the given Roman numerals. First, you draw this table. Now first example. LIX. Okay. Already Roman numerals are given. We have to expand and you have to write the Hindu-Arabic numerals. So let's see how to do it. So the first example is given is LIX. You immediately go back to the table. The value of L is 50. The value of IX is 9. How? Because 10 is a value of X is a value of 10 and I is a value of 1. 10 minus 1, that means 9. Remember, so the answer is 50 plus 9. Right here expansion में $50 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 50 plus 9. Hindu-Arabic numerals 59. Okay. Now next. LXVI. L as a value of 50 and X as a value of, first write here 50 plus X as a value of 10 plus 10 plus V as a value of 5 and I as a value of 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 50 plus 10, 60 plus 6, 66. Right here answer 66. Now next see. X as a value of 10 and C as a value of 100. That means बिगर नंबर के आगे स्मॉलर नंबर है तो हम माइनस करेंगे. 100 minus 10. राइट हियर 100 minus 10. That means 90. I as a value of 1 and 5 as a value of V as a value of 5. That means 5 minus 1. Plus 5 minus 1. That means 100 minus 10, 90 plus 5 minus 1, 4. That means the answer is 94. Now next, X has a value of 10. X, that means 10 plus 10 plus 10. That means 30. Right here 30 plus double I. 1 plus 1, 2. Answer is 32. Now next is x has a value of 10 and L has a value of 50. That means 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10, 40, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 3. Okay. Now 50 minus 10 is equal to 40 plus 3. Our answer is 43. Now F. X has a value of 10 and double I has a value of 2. 10, 1 plus 1, 2. That means 10 plus 2, 12. Next G. L has a value of 50. Very simple. 50 plus I has a value of 1. 50 plus 1, 51. Now last XC. C is the value of 100 and the X has a value of 10. That means 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Now next exercise 4. Write the corresponding Hindu-Arabic numerals same as it is एक्सरसाइज 3 के जैसे ही लिखना है हमको. x has a value of 10, again x has a value of 10. 10 plus 10, 20, and v has a value of 5 and I has a value of 1. 5 plus 1. Use this space for rough work. 10 plus 10, that means 20, plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. Now x has a value of 10 plus 10 plus 10. That means 30. And v has a value of 5. 30 plus 5. Right here. 30 plus 5. That means answer is 35. Now next, L has a value of 50 and 1 has a value of, I has a value of 1. That means 50 plus 1, 51. Now next D. X has a value of 10 and C has a value of 100. बड़े नंबर के आगे छोटा नंबर है. That means 100 minus 10. That means 90. 100 minus 10, 90. And V has a value of 5. 90 plus 5. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90 plus 5. That means 95. Now x has a value of 10 and L has a value of 50. That means 50 minus 10. Right here. minus 10 and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40 plus 3. That means our answer is 43. Now next F. L has a value of 50 x has a value of 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10, that means 50 plus 30. Right here 50 plus 30. Then v has a value of 5 plus 1, that means 6. Plus 6. 50 plus 30, 80. 80 plus 6, 86. Your answer is 86. Now G, L has a value of 50. Right here 50 plus x has a value of 10. 10 plus 10, that means 20. Plus V has a value of 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, that means 7. 7. 50 plus 20, 70. 70 plus 7, 77. Your answer is 77. Now H, X has a value of 10 and L has a value of 50. 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Now I, L has a value of 50. X has a value of 10. Right here 50 plus 10 plus double I, that means 2 plus 2. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 2, 62. Then last, X has a value of 10. Right here 10 plus I has a value of 1 and V has a value of 5. 5 minus 1 plus 5 minus 1, 4. That means 10 plus 4, 14. सबको समझ में आ गया कि रोमन नंबर्स को हिंदू अरेबिक नंबर्स में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है, सेम रूल, एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म यूज करो तो जल्दी से तुम्हें आंसर मिल जाएगा. ओके, बाय, टेक केयर.